You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Tuesday, July 11th. We've got a great show for you coming up today. We're going to be talking about long shot, high risk investments. We got a few of those to go over today. Today I made a stock purchase for the month for the kids portfolio. We'll talk about that. And we're going to talk a little bit about Wild West Online. It's a new game that's coming out. So look for all of those to be recap videos posted today on YouTube. And that's what we got coming up for people who are live. So let's go ahead and jump right in and get started here. Continuing with the long shot stock, this one is a beauty. I may track this as a viewer pick. I liked it so much. NUHEARA IQ Buds. NUHEARA is the company that we're taking a look at here. Unfortunately, many people are not going to be able to invest in this. It's a stock over in Australia. Now, I asked for these long shot stocks to go over them this week. This one truly is the long shot penny stock to get into, but this one you could probably make a lot of money with a small investment on if these take off. So I'll put a link to NUHEARA.com info on that. Looking at their investor relations, they make these wireless earbuds, basically, a lot like what Apple made. Let's take a look at the review at PC Mag. PC Mag gave them 3 stars. Not the greatest thing in the world. Not outstanding, but good. Good, solid product. Which is good to see, honestly. If it was a 5-star product, the stock may not be under the radar. So, the pros, take a look at them here. Comfortable, interesting noise canceling, hearing enhancing modes. Cons, they're expensive, similar in price to Apple's offering. Noise cancellation isn't up to par of the competitor, weak lows and mid ranges. Do everyday people, the lows and mid ranges that affect everyday people? So bottom line, good product, okay? So moving on to looking at one of their recent reports here. Some big things came out of the report. They got approval for release on the Apple's App Store. That's a big one there. They produced them. They have distribution agreements in the U.S. and different countries. So lots of good stuff there. They raised a good amount of money to keep their capital, or to working capital to keep them going. So lots of good stuff in this initial report. Getting distribution into some major markets. Very small company, and it details breakdown in some of the stock that they have, different options that they have out there, et cetera, et cetera. Now, they're losing money. Okay, startup, obviously losing some money here, but with their distribution that they have, things are looking good for them. Now, the earbuds products themselves is looking to be bigger than the smartwatch market that's out there. So people are predicting that Apple's earpods are going to sell more than smartwatches. So this, you're talking under 10 cents a share. Whatever the Australian equivalent is. This, you could put in a little bit of money and get some good returns if it takes off. So if you can find the Australian Stock Exchange, get some of it there. This one symbol is NUH. this one could have a lot of upside. They have to get a very small, tiny fraction of the market away from Apple. It works with Android phones too, so it's going to be a small industry. Smartwatch, Apple's going to be making more of it than smartwatch, so industry sizes, you can kind of get a little comparison there. This could be something if they get that little share. Think about it. Even if it became $1 stock, it could have some huge, absolutely huge upside here. It started selling through Amazon, Best Buy. Yep, absolutely. Could they be bought by Apple? I don't know. Apple does buy small companies like this, but I don't know. This is a if you've got $50 to waste and the ability to buy stock over there, this is the perfect example of ones I'm talking about this week, where it's a long shot alley-oop, which who knows what that could turn into for you. And if you're into the day trading of the penny stock things, there could be some good volatility in this one coming up. They're averaging into the millions of shares traded a day. Today they're trading 17 million. So as this kind of catches on, you're going to see more volume in that. That's what you want to see if you're doing penny stock trading and stuff. You want to get high volume, big swings during the day so you can actually chart it out. But like I said, this is a $25, $50 long shot alley-oop. I think it could take off pretty good for him. So kudos for Max for sending this my way. I'm going to actually track this one as a viewer pick so we can keep an eye on it. Very curious to see what would happen with a $50 investment in this one over time. I'm not going to buy it, not a dividend stock, but we're going to track it as a viewer pick, see what happens. Let me know what you think of this product. I think that may be a nice one. But that's it for today's show. I'm going to wrap it up, get on out of here. Keep the long shot investment ideas coming my way. I'm going to feature them all this week. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the show. Leave us some feedback. We appreciate everyone's feedback as we try and grow the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. And thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow live, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. You can contact the show. The info is on the screen behind me. Thanks for watching.